Hello legend, welcome to Dreamy Look. In today's video, we are going beyond just basics. Not only you will learn the most common phrases in Spanish, but also explore sentences packed with other useful words to help you navigate real-life situations like a pro. Not only you'll learn these common phrases, but also additional vocabulary from the sentences we'll create. As a bonus, at the end, you will also learn some additional words used to create the sentences. Are you ready? Let's jump right in. Hola. Hello. Hola. ¿Cómo va tu día? Hello. How is your day going? Gracias. Thank you. Gracias por tu ayuda. Thank you for your help. Por favor. Please. ¿Me podrías pasar la sal, por favor? Could you please pass me the salt? ¿Cómo estás? How are you? ¿Cómo estás hoy? How are you today? Lo siento. I'm sorry. Lo siento mucho por llegar tarde. I'm very sorry for being late. ¿Puedes ayudarme? Can you help me? ¿Puedes ayudarme a encontrar mi teléfono, por favor? Can you help me find my phone, please? Adiós. Goodbye. Adiós. Nos vemos mañana. Goodbye. See you tomorrow. Buenos días. Good morning. Buenos días. ¿Has desayunado ya? Good morning. Have you had breakfast yet? Buenas tardes. Good afternoon. Buenas tardes. ¿Cómo puedo ayudarte? Good afternoon. How can I help you? Buenas noches. Good night. Buenas noches. Que descanses. Good night. Sleep well. ¿Cómo te llamas? What is your name? Hola. ¿Cómo te llamas? Hi. What is your name? ¿Cuánto cuesta? How much does it cost? ¿Cuánto cuesta este libro? How much does this book cost? ¿Dónde está el baño? Where is the bathroom? Perdón, ¿dónde está el baño más cercano? Excuse me, where is the nearest bathroom? Me gusta. I like it. Me gusta mucho esta película. I really like this movie. No entiendo. I don't understand. Perdona, no entiendo lo que estás diciendo. Sorry, I don't understand what you're saying. Here is some additional vocabulary to boost your today's learning. Sal. Salt. Sal. Salt. Ayuda. Help. Ayuda. Help. Hoy. Today. Hoy. Today. Tarde. Late. Tarde. Late. Mañana. Tomorrow. Mañana. Tomorrow. Desayuno. Breakfast. Desayuno. Breakfast. Libro. Book. Libro. Book. Baño. Bathroom. Baño. Bathroom. Película. Movie. Película. Movie. Thanks for watching the video, legend. See you in the next lesson.